So, ma'am, according to your opinion, what should be the scope of FRM in India or abroad? Because in previous episode we had Navneet Piyani sir, and he said that opportunities in the industry are definitely going to follow upward trend. He said that still today, as per the recruiter friends of his, the demand is not met by accurate supply. Right. So, according to your opinion, considering the fact that COVID hit, which is the biggest economic risk or financial risk we've ever faced, opportunities कैसे होंगे फिर afterwards?
Okay, I completely agree with Navneet on this, that opportunities are like has an overall upward trend in terms of increasing demand. And I'll cite three thoughts from my side for that. And one of them is also global versus being in India. So overall, like as a risk management industry, there's a lot of push from regulators and various stakeholders of financial institution to enforce better risk management culture. And that can only happen when you hire good people, when you hire sufficient number of people, when there's a proper chief risk officer who reports to the board and there's no conflict of interest. And like we read about these things in level 1, but that's very relatable. So obviously there is a push from regulators to make things better. And the second point I'll say is various risk events which keep on happening in the economy. So COVID on one hand gives us an impression that it pushes cost pressures, like I mean, it kind of creates that cost pressure and people would not be keen to hire. Fine, but COVID in itself is also a financial crisis which led to very different market moves never seen previously. And those kind of market events again pushes for a better risk management requirement. So there comes the need for risk managers. In fact, my personal observation is that during COVID, in general, there were more roles. Like, I mean, there was a lot of cost pressure and I would say immediate reaction from the industry was to stop any hiring for a few months. And then everyone came to terms with that. Oh, like we may not hire people on the business side of it, but we still need to hire people on the risk side of it.
Yes, sir.
And I saw a lot of openings in the risk management. I'm talking mainly about UK, but in India, even that trend would have followed sooner or later. That's my assumption.
Right.
And
Absolutely.
And the third thing, which is very India specific, is that a lot of banks generally have their big risk management teams
Right.
sitting close to the business. That was the trend. But obviously, we have a lot more good people in India. And then we have this cost benefits and associated, this cost differential benefits of getting some work done in India. So there's a push from from the cost side to transfer as much risk management work that can be transferred in India. And that means there's like, say, Credit Suisse, Barclays, Goldman, they are kind of on a spree to expand their
Operations
risk
in India.
base, risk operations in India.
Right.
So that would also create demand pressure in India.
So basically, you're trying to say, in very simple words, that India can be the new risk industry hotspot.
Definitely. I mean, along with India, there are a few other locations which are very well placed for that, but definitely India is one of those.
Right. And India will be able to provide that much required talent because I've also seen that students would just now 1 week back, I got a message on Telegram. It was a 10th class student and he was asking me how to pursue FRM. And I was like,
okay, now 10th class is a bit too much.
Actually, but he asked me that how can I pursue FRM and CFA together? Can you please give me a plan? And I was like, dude, you need to focus whether to opt for science or commerce right now, and you need to play. Don't have to focus on
that was
FRM,
very good advice. I'm very happy that you did not say that. Oh, let's do this. Let's have a session and I'll counsel you on what we do.
So actually, I shared on LinkedIn that post as well, and people were having the same reaction that we were figuring out science or commerce, and he's asking about FRM CFA कैसे करना. It was quite kind of funny or क्या बोलूं बस.
Everything has its time. So
right.